So, yung myth na sinasabi in off-roading, rear lang, I want to ask the credentials of those who are teaching that. And, because that's wrong. Madidelikado if wrong foundation. Kasi, ang takbo ng motor, paabante. All the weight goes to the front. Right? Kaya nga, yung drill natin nakaraan, pagka-hanging, all the weight goes to the rear and then naka-incline, the front would hardly work. Lutang na eh. So, rear yung ginamit. Remember that? Yung ginawa natin last time? That's the only time na pabalik yung direction mo, right? Eh, lagi naman paabante yung direction natin, whether slow or fast. So, you gotta master the front brake. But you have to make sabay yung rear rotation sa front brake. Pinababagal mo yung front eh. Rotation. Pero paano ka eh? Isabay mo yung likod. How? Pag mabilis ka, kailangan mong magbaba ng cambio. Kapag first gear ka lang, kailangan mong i-precise yan with the rear brake. Kasi yung engine brake, iba-iba yung torque, iba-iba yung characteristics ng engine. Yung engine brake, makakabisa mo yan, pero hindi siya mabilis babagal. So, yun yung precision, layer of control, and correction, rear. So, dapat maging magaling ka sa rear brake. However, ang titigas ng boots natin. Tama?